Namaskaram everyone, myself Neil and I am here going live on Kahaniyan Teri Meri, and the guest joining us today would be Sukruta. So let's wait for her to join. There. Still waiting for her.
Namaskar.
Namaskaram Sukruta. How are you?
Namaskaram. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine too.
Okay. So, hi. Hi,
Hi.
Bhaiya. Hello.
Hello. So
Hanji.
Sukruta,
Yep.
we'll first start off with a bit introduction of yours. So
Okay.
most people know you like you are a doctor in making and also uh,
Yeah.
a stand-up comedian. Okay. So
Yeah.
first of all, how do you manage? I see your WhatsApp status every day. How do you manage to all these things and still stay so happy and all? How do you do that?
It's by choice, first of all. So I
Acha.
go with like it's my choice. And apart from that, like being happy is like it's just a part of life. But enjoying whatever you do is something. I
Yeah.
mean, honestly, that's what I do. I mean, it's not like I put pressure on myself that I have to do one thing at a time. I am this person. See, I get motivation from cells in our body because
Acha.
honestly, not too much of bio. I'm not going in there, but let's just say that every cell in our body they perform
Hmm.
different functions. So
Acha.
it's very small. It's very minute. You can see it through a microscope. When that can do so much, then I'm so huge. I can do many things. So that's where it goes.
And the only cell I know is those pencil cells. That's it. Hmm. बाकी वो जो सेल है वो read only in books and I forgot then after that.
हाँ जी, पर मुझे तो वो पढ़ना पड़ता है ना, तो I'm going to be a doctor, so that's why
Uh,
I said let's not go into there. But yes, that's my
hmm.
motivation, can say.
Yeah, people are joining. Hello,
Yeah.
Awadh, Indian writer, and
Hi.
people are joining. Everyone.
Yeah, my friends are joining. Hi guys.
Hello, everyone. Namaskaram. So,
Namaskaram.
Sukruta, let people start off. And yeah,
Okay. Yes. So this group has a speciality. Kahaniya Theri Meri is more.
yeah.
It's more apna. It feels more mine. This is a family I am forever indebted to, and like the way this page has motivated me to work on myself to a different level. And a lot of celebrities have seen what I've written, and thanks to this group,
Yeah.
can say. Yeah, thanks
Hmm.
for putting all my write-ups and in turn
That's
showing me them
that's a
that
great that's a great thing
have
for us
seen it.
actually. That's a great thing for us that our community, our family members are happy with us. That's a great thing for us. That's the only thing we want actually.
Yeah,
We
ultimately that is true.
yeah. You
It's
must be
true.
knowing that in anthologies and all, we don't earn much, but what we don't earn in rupees, but we earn something else.
We earn good wishes,
Good
good
wishes.
strength, and a lot of people close to our heart,
Yeah, of
which
course, of
money,
course.
which money can't really do. And
Yeah,
even every activity is so genuine, and it feels so nice to having write about
thank you so much.
the current issues and everything per se.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So we're waiting for more people.
Okay, so this will be a kind of short session, so we can start, I think
Yeah,
so.
yeah, we'll
Yeah,
start.
so
Yeah.
yeah. Today's content for the content for today was OTT. I'm sorry, the topic for today was OTT content. So,
Yes.
Sukrita, you must be aware that recently 59 Chinese apps have been banned,
Yeah.
and one of those was TikTok, the most popular one now.
Yeah.
Okay, so though it was not banned because of its content or the videos that were being uploaded on it, but still there was an outrage about these apps were banned because of security reasons. Okay, tension going on in the borders, but there was still an outrage in the country about the content, like this TikTok is promoting terrorism and domestic violence and all. Yeah, and also there were videos which were removed, and there were accounts which were banned by the police because of these police complaints and all. Well, and same thing happened in with Netflix also a few days back. There was I don't remember the name of that web series. There was that web series which showed that army officer's wife was having an affair with someone else, some other boy, and this due to this also there was outrage, and the main mudda was that जो wife थी, what she did was there was a scene where she tore off the army officer's uniform, है ना? वो she made her boyfriend wear that uniform, and then she tore it. Okay, so yeah, I also feel that it's not right. We should not do it. And so there was a huge outrage on it. There were police complaints filed against Ekta Kapoor. And so what are your views on this? I just
Okay.
want to
So
know.
for yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So the thing is, first of all, OTT means over the top. If people
Mm.
don't know, I'm just going to
Yeah.
start off with that. So
Yeah.
these are very sensitive issues, and I am no
Yeah.
personal critic
It was.
to be.
It was in. Thank you. Whoever said this. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, it's not a Netflix, but
Third.
any other
Yeah.
app.
Mm.
Yeah. So OTT means over the top. Initially, so
Mm.
it's not like we go to the theater and watch it. It's right in our
Mm.
own devices where we can download and install applications and then we watch it. So the
Mm.
thing is, the motto people have off late is just entertainment. Be it
Yeah.
right or wrong,
Mm.
the only thing directors and producers and the actors want is money. I'm not
Mm.
going against anyone. I'm just saying it. So the thing
Mm.
is, people do not want to, like, what do I say? Get into reality. Like there are so many other shows which have like really good values and stuff, but no one wants to watch it. People always want to watch such kind of things. And I'm not
Mm.
saying it's wrong, it's right. It's your choice ultimately. But when
Mm.
a series or a show has such content, even
Mm.
though we complain, the thing is they're stars, they're celebrities. Even though we
Mm.
go against, half of the time it's because of money, people just get out of the case and things. The justice is not being served right, and we don't know what is right and wrong. So, whenever you watch something and, people are usually more, like getting into wrong influence than the right one. They don't want to see the positive side or the good side. As you said,
Mm.
maybe in the show, I haven't watched it personally, so I'm
Yeah.
not going to comment on that. But yeah, there are more than 90 million people watching OTT. So 90 million people. If it's you
Mm.
and me, we can stop it by our own, let's say, like willpower and just be like, okay, fine, we're not going to watch it. But 90 million people, and not everyone are
Uh,
the same, right? So that's one thing. And
so yeah,
apart from that,
what you are saying is yeah, I agree with it. I go with it. But Sukruta, there is something. Like the national emblem, and the national emblem and the army uniform, the Indian Army or the Indian Defence Forces, the uniforms of Indian Defence Forces, they can be considered equivalent to the national emblem. So tearing that while having actually the scene was that she was being intimate with her boyfriend, and she made her wear that uniform, and then she tore it. So do you think somewhere or the other this patriotism the feeling of patriotism is lacking. People,
Yeah.
like Ekta Kapoor made that. She was the producer or director, whatever, of that web
Mhm.
series. So, do you think that this patriotism thing is lacking, and it should be fulfilled?
Yeah, I mean, being in a country like India is really grateful,
Hmm.
and being in support and in favor of patriotism is our responsibility,
Hmm.
because we are born here, and not everyone can
Yeah.
be born here, and not everyone can adapt to a tropical climate. And
Yeah.
we are like we are one of those countries who have a lot of wide range of, say, caste, creed, whatnot. We have all the differences, but we still come up together for one country, that's India.
Yeah.
So yeah, showing such things is not really necessary. And if you really respect your country, you wouldn't even agree to do such things, even though it is for a series or a show or whatever. Yeah, so the choices are yours. So you should go against it, being a citizen. If I were an actor, or if I were in their place, can say. Yeah.
Yeah. Of course. Now people might call me a bit what to say, being on both sides. But I personally feel, because I completed my 12th from Vizag Defense Academy. It was a defense academy, and I did my NCC service also. So there was a time when I also wanted to join the army. I appeared for CDS, but twice, but I failed. That's a different thing. So
Mm-hmm.
I have been into all this. I have seen all these things very closely. Okay. And there was a time when I was also too emotional about all these things, like army के बारे में कोई अरे यार कहाँ बोला. I was that kind of a person. Okay. So I used to get annoyed by anything. कोई भी अगर आर्मी के बारे में या इंडियन डिफेंस के बारे में कुछ भी हल्का सा भी they say against it, and I was just ready to fight with them. Okay. So but at a point of time I realized that we are being too emotional about the army. Okay, and about this series, yeah, so obviously it was wrong. I would not say it's right, but there are almost a million movies in which the police uniform has been disrespected. Okay, and there was no outrage against that. Or yeah, there are movies in which the policemen are shown very good, very loyal, but the मतलब जो पुलिस यूनिफॉर्म को डिसरेस्पेक्ट करने वाले जो मूवीज थे, दे वर मोर इन नंबर, दे आर मोर इन नंबर. Okay.
Yeah, even.
So
Yeah.
so don't you think that the people who are against this thing, and they are some kind of hypocritical?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, like, yeah, because South Indian movies, let's not name them. I
Hmm.
myself have grown watching those films, and when people never had a problem with such 2 hour long movies, a 2 second or a 2 minute thing in a web series matters. Okay, so where did your Desh Bhakti, or let's say respect to the nation, that's what I mean to say, go? When you go about asking people questions, it's
Hmm.
really you feel like, at some point of time, even asking them is something wrong. Like, asking them why they did this is also wrong. That's how they make you feel. And apart from that, you're saying that we shouldn't respect soldiers. I
Hmm.
think they, apart from doctors, soldiers are,
Hmm.
like, they are those people who need the utmost respect, because I wouldn't give my life for any random person in the country. They give it for their whole country. I cannot be so selfless. I am
Yeah.
scared. I do not have the guts to go fight the army and fight for India, for my country. When people are ready to do that, they're sacrificing their children, their family, their parents, so many luxuries in life, and they're in the cold out there. They're irrespective of season, irrespective of how what is going on, irrespective of their own life, they still serve us. And do they know me? Does any soldier know me? No, but they know I'm an Indian citizen. I was born here, and they want to safeguard me. So I think, it's not something really, be it in movies or series or OTT, any platform, any media, doing that to any soldier of any country is wrong. And especially my country, because I was born here and I do know how hard it is to work in an army. So yeah.
Yeah, it's actually very happy to see that you understand all those things. And yes, of
Yeah.
course, and not only Indian citizens, like this 26/11 thing happened. There were many foreigners who were there in the Taj Hotel. The commandos, they saved them also. Okay, so it's they.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, there was a network problem.
No, 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 it's okay. It's perfectly fine.
Yeah, so there's this boy in our group, and his profile name is Indian writer,
Yeah, he
and
wants a shout out. He wants a
yeah,
shout
yeah,
out. Yes, so
yeah,
sure. Indian
and
writer.
he wants to join the army. That's a very good thing actually. He writes a lot
Yeah.
about patriotism and all, and yeah, of course, for him and for
Yes,
everyone
for him.
else,
For everyone
and
else watching
also
this.
yeah, yeah, and also our compiler for our upcoming book, Varsha Verma. She's not on Instagram actually. Many
Okay.
people don't know that she would also be appearing for Combined Defense Service next time. She also
Wow.
wants to join the army. So I feel good when girls go for all these things, because usually in our country girls are not encouraged to do all these things. There's like Israel is having a compulsory military service for everyone. So it's not like that in our country. So when girls go for these things in our country, I feel personally feel good that oh, they are doing it.
I wish I could go in, but I don't think I fulfill any criteria possible. But
So
yeah,
Trudha,
I
what
can.
you're doing is no less than army, a
Yeah,
doctor,
but
no less
yeah.
than army.
So I hope maybe I can do my PG or post graduation in AFMC if I have the luck and have the guts and have the capabilities. I can try.
Inshallah, you'll do it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I want to ask you that okay, this thing is completely we see overall, and this web series thing was not right. Okay, so according to you, what should be the content of the web series?
Oh, I can write content. You tell me I can direct also because off late you have a lot of platforms teaching you how to do content writing, do
Hmm.
like direct a short film or say a movie or a web series. The thing is,
Hmm.
I personally believe in morals and humor. So I believe in two things in a movie. I usually go with the moral, that's in the end. And then in between, I go with a little bit of humor and say a positivity. And I'm not
Sure.
this person who can deal with a lot of emotional and I don't know. I just want something like something which has a moral, something which is going to make me succeed in life. Off late, a lot of web series and movies are about the real things happening, and you're like, like I am like you see everything around you which is happening. The thing is, no one wants to go into the root cause and correct it. They just see the superficial problems and blame it all, but no one
Yeah.
wants to go deep into the problem and then start from the scratch and solve a problem and then rectify it. So like positivity also starts somewhere. So you need to have positive content, respectful content, something which all age groups can watch together. So I
Yes.
personally think I mean animated movies are much better than all these web series and all that. even
Of
even
course.
now
Of
till
course. Yeah.
even
Yeah.
till today I still watch animated movies because they just they just don't seem real, and I don't have to worry about it or cry about it.
Yeah. I recently, not recently, a few years back, I watched this film Char Sahibzade Part One of that, and it was about the four children of Guru Gobind Singh, and it was
Okay.
awesome. It was awesome, and the second part was about Banda Singh Bahadur. He was also a freedom fighter, and both the movies were great. They were awesome. So, and they were animated movies. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I remember you were talking about yoga also. That this fitness and yoga, this should be made. tell us about that. Tell everyone about that.
Okay,
What do you think of?
so me before the lockdown happened, I never had time to really work out. It's not like I never had time, but I never made time because I didn't have the proper guidance or coach or say the moral support because I'm that person who needs a push to start out things initially because I have a lot of insecurities and I have a lot of fears in first like can I do this? Will I break my back? Will I break my bones? Or it's just very scary. So then I started yoga and I started meditation as well. So I was really impulsive and I was really reactive at some point of time in life. I'm really expressive as a person, but after yoga happened, I am writing on peaceful topics right now.
That's a good thing, actually. This this fellow
Hi
Indian writer,
Rahul.
yeah, he commented that we need web series on topics like patriotism, motivation, values, and some other principles.
Yeah,
So it's
sure.
my duty as an Indian civilian, of course, citizen, of course. It's everyone else's duty. Indian writer Awadh. His name is Awadh Jawan Putra, actually. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I think that's enough for today. We had decided to have a short session, actually.
Yeah.
Next time,
True.
this was our first session, actually. Thank you for everyone for joining,
Yeah.
everyone who
Thank you
joined
so
us,
much. Thank you.
supporting us. Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you, Sukruta,
Uh,
very much.
Thank
Okay,
you.
we'll meet in the
Uh,
next session.
yeah.
Hopes,
Yeah. This
yeah,
one more small request. Actually, the thing is, my friends
yeah,
couldn't make it up to 7:30.
yeah.
So the thing is, if you could save it on the page for today, at least for 24 hours on Instagram TV,
Hmm.
please.
So, yeah,
So that,
I'll try to upload it on the Kanya Teri Meri page.
yes, please,
So
because
it will,
a lot of my
yeah,
friends couldn't make it, and I think it's necessary for them to know what I spoke because.
yeah, of course. I think that from next time onwards, we should do this session in a time where most people are free.
Yeah, like
Maybe,
we will make sure. Yeah.
yeah.
And yeah. So thank you, Raya, and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Thanks to you, Sukruta. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.